So hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIH Group YouTube channel. Today we are having one another interesting video which is on 25 cybersecurity search engines. So in this video basically we are going to cover out 25 top search engine which is going to help a lot while doing the pen testing operations, while doing some sort of OSINT, some open source information gathering and some threat hunting and most of the thing which is bit related to cybersecurity. So you know what I mean. So this is exactly what we are going to cover in this video. So we have crafted a basic list. We have crafted some sort of pictorials of some cybersecurity search engine that everyone should have to know, and this is very much important for the infosec community. And you should, for sure, you should have to watch this whole video because you are going to learn a lot of things. And I'm damn sure after completion of this video, you are going to thank me in the comment box. Anyway, so if you're enjoying, just you can subscribe YouTube channel because we'll be bringing daily this kind of things on this channel. So you can also comment down content that you expect. Anyway, so now let's get right into the content part without wasting our time. So as always, I'm a brave user, not a brave person, just a brave browser user, which is a bit concerning for your security and privacy. So as always, the first search engine for cybersecurity is Soda. You might be heard of Shodan. What is Shodan? This is exactly called the search engine for the internet, search engine for the internet of everything. You can find out the webcams, you can find out the databases, you can find a lot of things. So just you have to create an account here and boom, the things will be in front of you. You can go through the pricing as well. You can go through with the paid things as well, which will give you a lot of information. So this is exactly what you're going to get on this thing. You can scan the IP as well, and this exactly written Sodan is the world first search engine for internet connected devices. Discover how internet intelligence can help you make your decision better. In short, this is going to basically searching for the devices which is connected to the internet via some host name or IP addresses. So anyway, this is a good site, and you should give it a try. Come up with a browser plugin as well and extensions. Now the next tool that we have, the next portal that we have is wiggle.net. This is called the wireless network mapping. So Wiggle is basically the database of wireless network with a lot of statics. No, we are not interested. So this is exactly the map of nations. Exactly, this will going to help you out while searching out some wireless networks. So this is exactly showing you how the wireless mashup is carried all over the world. So I'm not going to tell you a lot of things. You can put up the latitude, longitude, and you will get the Wi-Fi network which is being spreaded around you. And this is the map, the heat map, where the widest network is there, the lowest connection is there. So this is exactly what you can do. Just roam this site, and you're going to find a lot of things. This is very much important for the percent persons. Anyway, just scroll from yourself and wiggle all the net found by every. So now the next website that we have is greynoise. Greynoise.io. If I'm not wrong, this is the same website that I'm talking about. Yeah. So greynoise is basically this search for the devices connected to the internet. Once again, turning internet noise into the intelligence. So this is again going to help you a lot. I'm not going to play this video because it might come up with a copyright strike somewhere. So this is written over there, solving internet noise. We collect, analyze, and level data on IPs that scan the internet and saturate security tools with noise. This unique perspective helps analysis spend less time or irrelevant or harmless activity. There are a couple of things they are covering out. Just create account and you can. This is a great hint for the people those who are into the infosec community. So you can get idea exactly what this tool works for. Now next tool that we have is world famous VirusTotal. VirusTotal is being used for a lot of things, but today I'm going to tell you a bit about Another aspect, you can scan the file as well. You can search for something, the IPs or anything that you would like to scan or check out. You can check out the URLs as well, it's vulnerable or not. So basically, Virustotal analyze the suspicious files, domain IPs over there, and URLs to detect malware. So this is also very much important search engine, you can say. In another terms, that is going to help you a lot. Another thing is URL scan. So this is basically, website is free service, and this is going to scan and analyze the website. So whatever URL you are going to put up over there, this will going to tell you the size, going to scan and give you a bit information exactly, like it's malicious, what are the things which is running, and this is fine for you or not. And these are the couple of recent search which was searched on this portal. So this is also like you can gather the intel and you can get the ideas what are the website which is mostly get scanned. And you can call basically ulscan.io is kind of a sandbox for the web, which will going to give you a lot of information. So let's scan the same website. I'm very bad in solving the captcha, but believe me, I'm not a robot. So this is scanning the website. We have to the same website, and might be he is abusing something to me like bharose wala hi. Anyway, so these are the couple of information that we have found from there. So this is very good website. You can scan the URL to find out is it malicious or something is over there migrated or not. So submitted URL is there, effective URL is there. This is date, time, scan from a scanned. So this is very cool. Now next website, sixth website that we have is vulnerals. So vulnerals is basically the search for vulnerabilities in a large database. This is very good, very good. This is very good website, and you can take a lot of benefit from it. Actually, I was not reminding the name. Suddenly, I just got the name, and the thing is in front of you. Just play around with this website. This will going to help you a lot. Search whatever you want, and this is basically security intelligence feed. So this is going to search for the vulnerability in a very large database and going to help you a lot. Now, next website that we have is wayback machine, or you can say the archiver as well. So this is a very common website. A lot of people knows about it, and so this website is being used for viewing the contents from deleted website or take a deep dive into the history of a web. Let's see if you're looking for google.com. If you like to see the history of google.com, then let's say we are checking into uh, late 2001, and let's get, yeah, the creation year 1998, I guess. This is the spot which is there. Just click on the time, and most probably, boom, the things is in front of you. So this was the kind of prototype which was created by Google at the first time, and this is exactly how it was grown up with the traffic and with a lot of popularity. So this was the first page that was created by Google on 11 November 1998, which was stayed for 3 January. Till now, website is up, and this is the website which was hosted on 11 November 1998, I believe. 8 May 1998, 1999, I guess. So this is a website. This is the basic thing that was shown at that time. Anyway, now the next website that we have is which is called netlas. The website is, yeah, netlas.io, if I'm not wrong. So netlas is basically is written over discover, research, and monitor any asset available on internet. Internet intelligence app to provide accurate technical information on IP address, domain name, website, web application, IoT devices, and other online set. So this is going to search and monitor internet connected asset. You can give it a try from here. Most probably the registration should be there, and things has been publicly available. So anyway, this was the basic information about netlas. Recent was my IP address. So now the next website that we have is onyphe. So this website is basically going to collect cyber threat intelligence data. Just give it a IP, and you can get the geolocation data, passive DNS, threat list lookup, and active search, internet searches, in NTM information. A lot of things is available on the website. So just have a look over there. Now, 10th website that we have onto our list is fullhunt. So this website is basically going to search and discover attack surfaces for your working. Just come up with the domain name that we have, specify the port, and things will be in your hand. Let's try a bit. Automatically, query is not query is written over there. I'm not familiar with this website, so you can go through with this query. It is a kind of example over there. You can give it a try. This is a basic example of this portal. Anyway, it may take a lot of time, so we are moving to the next website that we have onto our list. The next website is grepapp. So this website is basically for the code search. If you're looking for any code, you can search over there as well. So this website is going to search across a 500,000 Git repos. So whatever code you have, you can search from there with the case sensitive operations, regular expression, and whole word as well. So here you can see this is a very simple website, but yet very effective. Another 12 website that we have is crt.sh. So this website is basically search for the certs that have been lost by CD, identity, domain name, and cert fingerprint. This is also very much important website. You can look for there as well. Next website that we have is greyhatwarfare. If I'm not wrong, this is website greyhatwarfare. Let's get to the main domain. Yeah, this is the greyhat web warfare. So this is going to search for the public S3 bucket. I repeat, public S3. So this is basically a game changer thing for the people, those who are looking for the sensitive stuffs and the thing which are being hosted on S3 bucket. So just give it a try. If you are a security person, then go through the subdomain as well, and you will find a lot of things which is somehow associated and will going to help you a lot in future. Now next website that we have is Alienvault. So this is otx.alienvault. So this is the website of Alien Vault, I believe. Yeah, this is the main website that we have. This is subdomain of Alien Vault. So this is a kind of open threat intelligence community, which will going to help you a lot. You can register from there, log in, and boom, the world first truly open threat intelligence community is there, which is very supportive and very helpful. Next website that we have is Binary Edge. So this website is basically going to scan the internet for the threat intelligence, and which will to help you a lot. And mm, they are going to gather a data for you. They scan entire public internet, create real-time threat intelligence stream, and report the show and exposure of what is connected to the internet. So at last, what is your internet attack surface? Log in over there, and you'll find a plenty of thing of this website. Now, next website that we have is Tiny Eye, tinyeye, whatever you can say. So this is kind of reverse image search website. Just pull out the image URL that we you have. Either you can upload here as well. So this is exactly how they can help you out over there, and this will just give you a good result as comparison to Google image. Now, next website that we have is OSINT framework. So this is your portal, OSINT framework. So OSINT basically means open source intelligence, and this is the framework for open source intelligence. So this is a website. There's some link might not work anymore, but it's a still a good website. If you're looking for the username, just click there. What kind of username you are looking for? Username search engines. These all are username search engines. These are all are specific sites for the username, and there's a lot of things. Just have a deep dive into it. Next website that we have is hunter.io. This is basically going to help you for searching for email addresses which is belonging to a website. Just put up a domain name or the email address, and it will help you a lot while finding the information. So if you are for doing email investigation, then sometimes this might help you. Not always, but sometimes this might going to help you. Next website is leakix. So this is the search. This will be going to search the publicly indexed information, so you can find out the information which is publicly available. I'm not going to promote this website, but this is very much important. Next website that we have is intelligenceX. You can search for the tor I2P data leak domain and emails here, so this will going to help you a lot. And just give it a try. Actually, I'm using this website from a long time. You can put up some sort of email. This sometimes it may give you a lot of information that was not inspected from your side. You can put up some URL, you can put up some host name and Bitcoin address. Sometime it may give you information of the Bitcoin wallet as well if it got leaked somewhere. Okay, so this is a 20 website that we had. Now the next website is DNSdumpster. So this is DNSdumpster website. This website is basically the DNS recon and research website where you can find and look up the DNS record. Just put up the URL that you have, and you can able to recon the specific DNS and research for the specific thing, and you can look up exactly the DNS record of the website. This is cool, really cool. 22 website is exploitdb. You might be familiar of it. Exploit database. Sometime it may call a GHDB as well, which is called Google Hacking Database. So this is might be a bit offensive. So that website is going to archive of various exploit which was done in the previous time. Next website that we have is CVE. cvmiter.org. So the CB website was created to identify, define, and catalog publicly disclosed security vulnerabilities. So whatever vulnerability that was disclosed publicly, you might get information here as well. Here you can check out the latest Twitter feed of cvmiter.org website, and there's a lot of exploit available over there. So just have a research, just scroll out the website, and you'll get a lot of things to learn. 24th and second last website that we have is Pulse. So this website is going to search for the threat intelligence, and this is going to make the threat intelligence easy. Just put up some URL with the or else the host IP, sometimes the host name as well, and you can explore the database using the search box. Not always, but sometimes. Now the last website that we have is Packet Storm Security. So Packet Storm Security. This is basically kind of browsers, and this is basically going to browse the latest vulnerability exploit. Recently, there was an announcement that Google Home speaker were vulnerable to eavesdrop hackers. So you can get the information from here as well, exactly what was that and how the things was working, everything. In the video, you can click out and you can check exactly how it was, and it got exploited. So I guess it's time to say bye, and I guess you have enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things. If you just comment down your feedback, if you really enjoyed, you can subscribe this YouTube channel. Just click on the thumbs up button. Also, if you are on Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, Twitter, you can search us over there with the name VIH group. This is our username. You can search on multiple social media platform. You can follow us there as well. And again, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. See you next time. Jai Hind.